Today, we are going to teach you how to create a 3D icon in Adobe Illustrator. So stay with us until the end of the video. In the first step, we group the icon, and then in the 3D material, we apply a setting like this. In the next step, once we have reached the desired shape and setting, we render them. This step can be a bit time consuming. If you want to have a complete set of bubble 3D icon along with the original file right now, you can download them through the link provided in the caption. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more videos. If you want to learn more about 3D and material, don't miss this video.